Okay, Michael Church here, Crawl Space Ninja. This is a new Platinum crawl space that we just finished up, hybrid encapsulation system. Basically what I'm going to show you right here is that we had a door, all right, and I'll show you a couple of pictures, but this, we all had to build this up because the door would actually go in and the door would open to the inside. So the Shogun team built all this up, poured this concrete, created a new door frame system right here. Then we got our plastic door, which is really good. We also insulated the inside of the door with our R10 termite resistant foam board. And you can see in there, we also got our weather stripping right here. Okay, got our new frame here, so that way as you close the door and seal it, it's got weather stripping all the way around. So this is how we do doors. So we're gonna go ahead and go inside the crawl space now. And let's see, there's our light. Let's turn on our light, okay. And as I said, I'm gonna throw up a few pictures here and there so that you can get a sense of what this crawl space looked like before. But this is our 10 mil no cat pee vapor barrier that we've placed. And let's go ahead inside. So let's go ahead and look around a little bit. Okay, one of the first things I want to point out is that we have this white that you see on the wood. We soda blasted all of this wood, and there's a white tracer here. That is the X70 protectant. So this crawl space is actually protected from growing future mold because of the X70. We soda blasted, applied the disinfectant, and then the protectant. One of the things I want to point out, as you can see here, we've got some cricket poop. I don't know why, but not even soda blasting removes cricket poop. I'm not sure what that stuff's made of, but anyway, that's that. We got our termite barrier right here, so that way the pest control company can see whether there's any termite activity. We got our R10 foam board attached to the wall mechanically. Then we got our vapor barrier tucked in behind, comes down, meets down here on the ground. And then as you can see, we also use our termite resistant foam board in the vents. It's treated with borate, so it's good to keep out pests and things like that. Had a little bit of an obstacle to work around with the water heater. So they had a base that it was sitting on, so we basically just brought the vapor barrier to the water heater, and it's nice and warm in here. It's pretty chilly outside. It's about 34 degrees. Let's see what the temperature is. I know I got the door open, but let's see, it's 51 degrees inside. All right, let's crawl in here, and you can see our seam tapes all the way up the, got our tape here and all that sort of thing. We try to make it, overlap it and tape it so it's one continual piece of plastic. This is one of our hybrid Platinum crawl space encapsulation systems. Okay, let's show you a little bit more. We soda blasted this wood here, and I want to show you what the moisture level reading is. So we're at about 14%, so we're probably still getting dried out a little bit. 12%, and then the subfloor is at 13. So it takes a little while for all this wood to dry out with the dehumidifier running, but it'll probably be in about a month. It'll probably be or less in the 7% range, which is fantastic. We got our ABS over there. We got all these pillars wrapped up, as you can see, soda blast tracers everywhere, and that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you this crawl space. My name's Michael Church, crawlspaceninja.com. If you're looking for some help with a crawl space, we are expanding rapidly. We're currently running about a 4-hour territory all around Knoxville, so if you find yourself in those areas and you need some help, give us a call at 865-659-0390, or of course check us out on the web, crawlspaceninja.com. Thank you so much. Have a great and blessed day.